Alright, let's do a quick unboxing video of this Batman comic I ordered from the Fantast Comics collection. This arrived really quickly, 2 days, it being only one state away in Michigan helped, or in Wisconsin. Ooh, very nice. We have some stickers, it looks like. And this is really cool. It's Batman 190. There's that awesome Fantast Selling Superman the Film custom logo from CGC. 8.5. Oh yeah, that's a nice looking book. One spine tick up there. Very clean. One right there. No, that's just from the staple. A little bit of corner wear. Slight miswrap in that corner. And a little bit of a rounded edge, but not too bad. Beautiful. Obviously, I would never crack, press, clean, and resubmit this one because I'd lose that custom label, but man, I think we could probably squeeze a 9 or 9.2 out of this. Yeah, just a little bit off on the wrap, but man, that looks really nice. A little bit of a corner crunch there. Yeah, back spine looks great. Nice corner. What was the page quality? White pages. Does not surprise me at all. Okay, I have a small, slight issue with the top of that staple. Yeah, I'm sure that's why it got knocked down. 1085. Okay. That bottom staple is hard to see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep, a little bit of wear around that staple as well. Okay, so that's, I think, why it got knocked down to an 8.5 instead of being in the 9.2 or even 9.4 category. But yeah, very nice book. My first Fantast, actually my first custom logo, but this will fit in nicely with my Batman collection. See, we've got the first Poison Ivy, low grade Tech 359. There's my son's Batmobile Pinewood Derby car, placed third. Pretty proud of that. Classic cover by Neil Adams there, 6.0. First Riddler in Silver Age. First Harley. I think we have room right there to display this penguin. Love that penguin cover. Wonderful. Peace!